Hey guys, welcome to another lesson of pre-market preparation. I'm Michael Katz and this is episode number 5. We already discussed and learned how to analyze the market before the opening bell, how to use scanners, how to find the right stock, how to analyze it. And today we're going to talk about a watch list, how to create a watch list and what kind of parameters you want to head in order to find and type in the stock for the watch list, for that watch list. So let's dive right to it. Like always, guys, please make sure you subscribe and like. It will help us tremendously to push forward this channel and basically reach more traders and give them more content. So please do so. And if you have any comments, leave them below. So today we are going to learn about a watch list, and watch list is one of the most important one when it comes to trading, because a watch list, unlike a scanner that will pop up stocks during the day, a watch list is actually specific stocks that we planned ahead and analyzed ahead, and right now we just follow it and watching it basically until we'll find the right spot for us. So make sure you're watching this video all the way to the end, and obviously if you have any questions, feel free to write them down below. So in order to create the right watch list, you can go to finviz.com. This is probably one of the most famous websites out there for screening and scanning. So in order to create the right watch list, what I'll do is go to finviz.com. Again, you can play with it and find your own niche and your own website, but Finviz is definitely one of the most famous one out there, and it's free, at least most of it free. And basically what I'll do is go to screener, and from here you see you get all the stocks, about 8,000 stocks, 8,500. And what I'll do is just add some parameters that will basically show me the right stocks that I'm looking for. So one of the strategies that I'm using called short squeeze, and you're probably familiar with the term. And basically what I'll look for is stocks that have a lot of basically short position holders, and from that point looking for other stuff like volume and nice ATR, price, etc. So let's try build one right now. So what I'll do is go to industry and I'll check in stocks only, price above $10. Just make sure you type in over and not below. What else? We can put in a volume, average volume above 1 million, over 1 million. And if I'll go to float short, then I'll choose above 15, over 15. So this will give me only 70 stocks that have a nice volume, and also float short is high. One more parameter that I will add is in the technical part, and what I'll do is choose average true range, and it will be above 1 over 1. So right now I got only 55 stocks that I can put in my watch list, a watch list that you will have in the TTP platform. You can put it, just type it in, you can put it in an Excel sheet, play with it as you like. And from this point I can go to charts tab, and this will give me a nice overlook of those stocks. So for example, when I'm trading short squeeze, what I'll do is try to find the right place where all the short sellers put in their stop losses. And if the price will break through that level, I know that it should continue higher. So let's try to find one of those. And then I can add it to the watch list in the platform. So for example, so let's take JWN. 25% of short float in that stock. And basically most traders that taking those short positions, placing their stop losses around this area, right? Like most of us, or maybe if not here, they put it a little bit higher around the $30, and some put it at the 36 and some at 38. So I know that a lot of orders are coming in And those orders are stop orders, buy stop orders. So when time be and the price will go through that level, it should pop up. So this is kind of stocks that I can actually add to my watch list and just mark the level, or just add an alert in the system that in case JWN will reach the $30 support or resistance in this case, I should react and look at it and analyze it just a little bit more and maybe find that trigger to get into that stock. So you can create a watch list, depends on the strategy that you're working on or with. Some major support levels, like watch list of major support level stocks, or resistance obviously that you're taking from the weekly chart, for example, and from that point when the stock is reaching that support level, you know that most of the time it will bounce up when it will reach the support level, so stuff like that. Other than that, you can add a watch list of about 20-30 stocks that you always watching. It could be like market stocks, Intel and Microsoft and NVDA, other stocks like that, or maybe a specific sector that you're usually watching. The last 2 years it was the vaccine and the corona, so mRNA, BNTX, NVAX, those kind of stocks, Pfizer obviously, or maybe the energy. Lately oil popped up and dropped down again, so all the stocks from the energy sector. So you can play with it and actually find an easy path to that specific stock that you want to trade, and hopefully that's the one that will make you money. So I hope you guys liked this video and understood it completely. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down below, and I will see you on the next lesson. Take care.